Yeah. What do you know about nature, Gavin? So what are squirrels eat?
What do squirrels eat? Are you kidding?
Yeah. What do they eat?
I've seen squirrels eat meat. That squirrels probably naturally would eat berries and stuff like
They're
that.
not pigeons.
Grubs and whatnot.
They're not pigeons.
Not generally. Maybe if they're starving. Why are you asking that?
I'm worried about the squirrel out here eating the pigeon.
No, he's not.
That's serious. Let's see.
It's a squirrel eating a pigeon.
It's on video. So
Oh, okay.
Oh, you ran? He drug it off. He drug it off. He's dragging it off. He's gonna hump it. This is a full-blown.
That's a quail.
Well, it's a bird.
Yeah.
Close enough to a
Yeah,
pigeon.
dude, Sean, dude, this fucking squirrel is macking this quail, dude. He's fucking having at it. He's been dragging them all around and shit, dude. Wow.
I think it's
That's a pheasant.
Is it?
Not a quail, it's a
It
pheasant.
looks like.
Looks like
He's
a
got the
robin.
little things.
Oh, okay.
He's got the little thingies
The
on
colors
his head.
underneath.
It's beautiful, yeah. He's eating the head first, man.
Yeah. Lots of minerals and vitamins in the brain. Totally helps your tax.
Yeah, that's what they did for it now.
I do not consent to
You're on video.
video. I do not consent to video.
Do you see what's going on there?
Oh, how beautiful.
What the heck?
It's a squirrel eating a bird.
No way. That's nasty.
You want to bite? It tastes like
No,
chicken.
thank you.
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Thanks a lot. Okay.
Just leave that there while I'm gonna record
Right.
that video.
You're gonna go viral, man. Get over 1 million hits on YouTube and they start paying you. Yeah. Is this for your the linen? I just have it in there. Alright. I'll just throw one of these in your linen for you. And you'll find the other trash can. I don't find another one. We're still missing the one.